That there was no one who cared for me. I tried everything to fill this void inside, but nothing satisfied. I met someone when I was walking across the street last night. They said I need to have Jesus Christ in my life. So we prayed, and unlike the others, he stayed, and in some way you came into my life. In some way you came into my life. In some way you came into my life. Into my life. Now you stayed and didn't forsake me. Now I am assured, my Lord, you really do care for me. You are more real than anything I can feel. You have filled me with your love. And in some way you came into my life. In some way you came into my life. In some way you came into my life. Into my life. In this life we can search the world over and around for something we think that we need. Stop searching and soon you'll find the answer is found in Jesus, the Savior, the King. He is the real thing, and in some way he'll come into your life. Just ask him in some way. He'll come into your life. It will begin